Hi guys, this is Mitali here, and today I'll be sharing with you all guys a food vlog. So here I'll show you how you can make a pizza at home. So let's see the ingredients. First you require is the pizza masala, then you need some chili flakes, oregano, green chili sauce, tomato ketchup, hot and sweet ketchup, then you require butter, then you need cheese, then I've taken brown pizza bread, then some veggies like corn, capsicum, cottage cheese, that is paneer, and onions. So these are all the key ingredients that you require for making a healthy pizza. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So first I'm gonna prepare a pizza sauce. For that I'll need 5 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. So I'm adding it in this bowl. So I'll take 5 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, then 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of hot and sweet tomato chili sauce. Then I'll add some masales, that is the oregano. Then I'll add the pizza masala. I just love the taste of this masala, so that's why I'm putting a lot of masala. I'm adding pizza masala, then I'll add chili flakes because I love spicy food. And our mixture is ready. You just need to mix this all. And guys, our pizza sauce is ready. So now I'm gonna keep it aside, and now I'm taking a non-stick pan and I'll apply butter on one side of the bread, and मैं उसे cook कर लूँगी and उसे like what you say सेक लेंगे उसे हम लोग. So after that it will look like this, and the other side will be like plain. So now I'll heat the pan and I'll take half a tablespoon of butter, and this is a Amul light butter, again really healthy. So now I'll saute my veggies. So first I'll saute capsicums. So these are really finely chopped capsicums. So first I'm gonna saute this, then after that I'll add onions, and I'll saute both onions and capsicums. And I'll cook this mixture for next 2 minutes. Now I've added the boiled corn to the mixture. As the corn was boiled, I'm adding it at the last. And again I'll cook it for 2 minutes. Then I'm adding pizza masala and salt as per your taste. Now I'll take my pizza bread and I'll take that side which we cooked, and we're gonna apply our pizza sauce all over the bread. I'm gonna apply a thick layer of pizza sauce. Now we're gonna top our pizza with our veggies, with our veggie mixture, and इसे पूरा अच्छे से कवर कर दीजिए विथ दी वेजीज. कंजूसी बिल्कुल मत करना यार गाइस टॉपिंग्स लगाने में. यू कैन सी मैंने बिल्कुल कंजूसी नहीं किया है, पूरा आई हैव कवर्ड इट विथ माई वेजीज. सो नाउ आई एम पुटिंग माई कॉटेज चीज़, दैट इज़ पनीर, ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट. मैंने इसे मिक्सचर के साथ नहीं फ्राई किया बिकॉज ये बहुत ही फ्रेश पनीर था एंड chances थे कि ये टूट जाए. That's why I didn't added it to the mixture. Then I'll grate the cheese on top of my pizza, and yeah, it's ready. So now our pizza is almost ready. We just need to cook our pizza. So I'm heating the pan, and now I'll keep it in the pan. I'll place it, and I'll cover my pizza with a lid, and the flame should be like सिम में होना चाहिए एकदम flame, guys, and just cook it for next 2 minutes. And can you see that the cheese is melted really well, and now our pizza is ready. सो मैं आपको बॉटम का भी लुक दिखाऊंगी. कैन यू सी ये बिल्कुल जला नहीं है, एंड इट वाज रियली क्रिस्पी. एकदम बहुत अच्छे से ये पक गया है विदाउट ओवन. सो या now I'll garnish it with oregano and chili flakes. And yeah, guys, it's done. So my pizza is ready, and now I'll cut it in slices and I'll serve it. So ये बहुत tasty था, and if you'll try this, then do tag me on Instagram. So yeah, that's all for the video. Bye bye.